Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Wadikar. In economics, basically there are two types of theory: consumer behavior theory and producer behavior theory. This part of economics considered as a microeconomics, even it considered as a business economics because it helps business people or entrepreneur to understand consumer behavior as well as producer behavior. So today we will see the concept of elasticity, and basically we will focus on the concept of price elasticity of demand. Basically, as we know that demand for goods is affected by many factors. Price, if demand of good is affected by price, then we can measure price elasticity of demand. If it is affected by income, then we can measure income elasticity of demand. If demand of product that is affected by related goods, then it is considered as a cross elasticity of demand. And similarly, there is concept of advertisement elasticity of demand. Today in detail we will understand the concept of income elasticity of demand. Let us understand the definition of income elasticity of demand is the proportionate change in demand and proportionate change in income that considered as income elasticity of demand. Once again I am repeating, the ratio value of proportionate change in demand and proportionate change in income of consumer considered as income elasticity of demand. On the basis of this definition, the income elasticity, there are basically three types of income elasticity: positive income elasticity of demand, second negative income elasticity of demand, and third zero income elasticity of demand. On the basis of three types of income elasticity, even we can classify goods, either it is a normal goods, inferior goods, or luxurious goods. So we can classify goods on the basis of concept of income elasticity of demand. Let's understand this. Here we can see this is concept of positive income elasticity, where on y-axis you have income, on x-axis you have quantity of demand, and with the increase in income you can see the quantity of demand that is rising, that is going upward. So this concept considered as positive income elasticity, and normally in case of normal goods the income elasticity positive. That can be shoes, that can be clothes, that can be some fast food items. So in whatever product with the increase in income, if demand increases, that considered as a normal goods on the basis of the concept of positive income elasticity. The second concept, that is negative income elasticity, indicates that as the level of income increases, you can see on y-axis, with the increase in income the demand for product that is declining. Now the question arises, why the demand for product that is declining? Because the product is inferior goods and everyone wants to improve his or her standard of living, and that is why with the increase in demand the demand for product that is declining. Here there is one example: with the 12% rise in income, that leads to 3% decrease in demand for bus travel, and the income elasticity of demand, that is minus 0.25. It means if there is a 1% income increase in income, that leads to 0.25% reduction in demand for bus travel. And on the basis of that, we can classify normal goods. In case of normal goods, income elasticity is positive. In case of luxurious goods, income elasticity will greater than 1. And in case of inferior goods, income elasticity is less than 1. Now let us understand the concept of zero income elasticity. Here you can see these are the example of inferior goods. The kerosene stove, the bicycle. In case of grains or cereals, the wheat and rice considered to be superior goods, and jawar, bajra, that all considered as a inferior goods. In case of inferior goods, when income level increases, you can see on this diagram, as the income level increases, the demand that does not change, demand remain constant. That indicates with the increase in income, the demand remain constant. The diagram is vertical, it is parallel to y-axis, so it considered as a zero income elasticity. So thank you friends, today only this. Thank you very much.